What's up, gamers? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest mobile game tips, tricks, and hack. Today, I'm going to show you a super easy hack method to unlock unlimited coins in Pocket FM. No PC needed, and definitely no rooting or jailbreaking your phone. I tested it myself, and it worked fast and smoothly. Let me show you exactly how it's done, step by step. Let's get into it. First up, launch Pocket FM and head to your profile page. Here, you'll find your user ID. Snap a screenshot or copy it somewhere. You'll need it in the next step. Got it? Cool. Let's keep going. Next, open your mobile browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you prefer, and go to the website I'm using in this video. Once you're there, type Pocket FM in the search bar and look for the Unlimited Coins Hack Generator. Click that, and it'll take you straight to the tool. Simple stuff so far. On the generator page, you'll see a short form. Select your device system, Android or iOS, then enter your user ID. Double-check to make sure everything's correct, then hit Proceed. The tool will start linking to your profile. It's fast, safe, and protected through secure servers. Once your account is connected, it's time to choose how much resources you want. Pick the amount that works best for you, then press Proceed. Now the system will do all the work in the background, verifying, syncing, encrypting. Hang tight, we're almost done. Before everything is finalized, you'll be asked to complete a short human check, just to prove you're not a bot. Usually this involves downloading a free app and using it for a minute or two. Not sure what to do? Don't worry, there's usually a step-by-step video or guide on the page to help out. Once that's done, you're all set. Now go back into Pocket FM and check your balance. Boom, your coins should be there, ready to use. Worked like a charm for me, and you didn't have to spend a cent or grind for hours. And that's a wrap. Your full walkthrough how to get unlimited coins in Pocket FM. If you found this guide useful, make sure to leave a like and share it with your friends. Stuck somewhere or have questions? Drop a comment. I read them often, and I'm happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon so you're the first to see what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Go enjoy your upgraded game, and I'll see you in the next one.